at how good the lights look. Everything is working great. They look really nice in the dark here. So if you have a dimly lit environment, they're going to be bright enough. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Corsair iCUE LS100 Smart Lighting Strip Starter Kit. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through what's included in multiple languages. And this product comes with a 2-year warranty. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature right here. So you can see our user guide walking us through everything we need to know in multiple languages, like how to install the control panel and to install the strip lights on the back of your monitor, how to manage your cables, and the iCUE instructions if you want to set that up with the Corsair software. And again, all that information repeated multiple times in multiple languages. Next, you can see we have our strip lights right here. So we have 2 of the 250 millimeter versions. Check those out with the Corsair logo and branding on them. Then we have 2 of the 450 millimeter versions. So those look really nice as well, but you can see the pretty substantial size difference between them. Next, we have a bunch of our clips and cable management options. We can mount these different ways. Then you can see we have our light connector cables right here. We have our USB to micro USB connector cable if we want to connect this to our PC. Then you can see we have our power supply adapter right here that plugs into our wall. And lastly, you can see our controller. We have 2 options to connect our lights. And then you can see power connector and our micro USB port. And we have our 3M adhesive on the back side to use as see fit, so we can peel and stick this in place. Now let's go ahead, let's get these set up. All right, so check it out. You can see we have the starter kit installed behind me on the shelf. I thought this would be a cool way to showcase and look at the lights. Obviously, we can attach these to the back of a monitor, TV, gaming setup, whatever you want to do with these, you can get really creative. But I thought I'd showcase the magnetic mounts that we have. They are able to fasten on here. They do give you a couple of extra, and I highly recommend if you're going to do something like this, that you take advantage of all the extras that are provided. You're definitely going to want to use them to have it stick better in place. But check that out, that's really cool. Now let's go ahead, let's look at it with the studio lights off. All right, so check it out right here. Look at how good the lights look. Everything is working great. They look really nice in the dark here. So if you have a dimly lit environment, they're gonna be bright enough. Obviously, you can see they were really coming through still with all the bright studio lights, but the darker, the better for the quality and the viewing experience with these lights. Now let's go ahead, let's look at some of the different scene options that we have within the iCUE software. So first up, you're seeing the rainbow wave. Then we just have our regular rainbow right here, and we can adjust the speed, so slow, medium, or fast. Next, we have color shift, and again, we can choose for this one random colors or alternating colors, and we can adjust the speed. Then we have our color pulse. So you can see it pulsing between the different colors. That looks really cool. And you may notice here, we got a lot of nice glow right around the shelving where the lights are. So if you wanted to put this on a monitor or TV, chances are it's going to help illuminate your wall behind it, assuming it's mounted to the wall, if that makes sense, your monitor or TV. Next up, you can see we have our color wave. This one looks really cool. We can change the direction. So now we can make it go the other way. We can increase the speed if we want. Next up, we have our sequential. So look at that as it changes the color. It's kind of got the little worm or snake going along it. Next, we have our strobing. So you can see our strobing right here. Then we have our visor option. I like that one. That's pretty cool. The random colors going back and forth. Then we have marquee. That's fun. It's a fun one. We can choose the color if we want. And then lastly, we have temperature. So it goes to our sensor. So in this case, it has it for the 3950X. And basically 20 degrees Celsius is green for us. 40 degrees Celsius is the yellowish color you see here. And 60 degrees Celsius is going to be red. So we can tweak that depending on the temperatures and what we want to see, but we can get that indicator built right in from our PC to our lights, which is really neat. So now let me share with you my final thoughts in regards to the Corsair iCUE LS100 starter kit. First thing I want to say is this is a complete kit that gives you everything you need right out of the box to get this set up and installed on your monitor or your TV and to easily connect it to your computer via USB. Now, with that being said, I wish there was a way to easily connect this and power this internally to your PC. That would be really cool to have right out of the box, so we could actually use this as some case lighting internally in our PC build. I would love to have that option to use these. I'm sure we can get creative, find adapters, that sort of thing, but it'd be nice to have that version available with this particular starter kit. Other than that, I want to point out, if you're not already in the Corsair ecosystem, there's cheaper alternatives available on the market today if you don't care about brand. But I do want to say, if you're already heavily invested in Corsair, you're already using the iCUE software, maybe for your RAM, maybe for your fans, I don't know, whatever you have that is RGB that you're tied to Corsair, this is a no-brainer to get seamless integration. You'll be happy to have everything under one piece of software. So that's kind of my biggest takeaway. If you're already involved with the iCUE and Corsair RGB, it just makes sense to stay in that ecosystem and not complicate anything. If you're not, I would say go ahead, save your money and find some of the cheaper RGB strip lights that are available today. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.